everyone, it's Patty. I'm so excited to be sharing with you a Christmas decor haul in today's video. I have already shared a couple of hauls in my Walmart Christmas shop with me. I shared a haul at the end of that video, so I will leave it linked in the description box down below, as well as the Target shop with me video. I included a haul in there. So I'm going to be sharing a couple other things that are non-dollar spot related from Target, some things from Hobby Lobby, and then one thing from Amazon. I am going to be doing one more shop with me, so if I do that shop with me before I upload this video, I will include it at the end of this video, and if not, I will just include it at the end of that shop with me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I did share a Target dollar spot haul in that video, but I did pick up a couple of things that were non-dollar spot related, so I wanted to share those with you. So one of the items, so my theme this year, I'm not sure which video is coming first, but I kind of shared my plans for this year. It's going to be kind of modern farmhouse with a few touches of boho in it, especially in my kitchen. So a lot of greenery I wanted to incorporate this year, and a lot of like modern touches. So in the years past, I've used a lot of red, and I want to incorporate some of the touches of red with the green to kind of mesh them together, that way they flow. So one of the areas I want to do that is in the kitchen, especially my coffee station. So I picked up this towel that has green and red, and I feel like it's the perfect flow of because the living room is going to be mainly greens and blacks and modern gold. Then the dining room is going to be a mix of the two, a coffee station mix of the two, and then the kitchen is full red Santa's workshop. So I figured this is a good transitional towel, and I love the green that they used. I feel like it's perfect, and like that modern feel, the design of it is like perfect. So that was from the Threshold line. Then I picked up this hot cocoa sign from the Hearth and Hand line. I thought it was really cute. I love that it had the little stand, so you have a couple of options with it. And I love the shade of red that they used. Then the last thing I picked up from Target was actually not, I took this idea from someone else, Emily from Mama from Scratch. You shared these, I don't remember if it was in a YouTube video or on Instagram, but she shared how she got these are like plastic material, but they look like a matte black stoneware plate, and when I saw these I thought they were perfect. They are so inexpensive. I believe they were less than $1 each. So I picked up 8 of these for a Christmas tablescape, and these are so family friendly and perfect for my kids. So I'm really excited to be using these this year for a tablescape. I have some really cute green and red Santa plates, so I want to incorporate the modern feels of these plates with the Santa plates, and I think it's going to be really fun, and I'm excited to share that video with you guys. And then the last few items are from, oh actually I do have something from Amazon, so let me share that, and then the rest is from Hobby Lobby. So the item I picked up from Amazon are actually these pillow covers. I got these because I picked up some pillow covers last year from Amazon for Christmas, and I fell in love with them, and I wanted like a nice base pillow to use with those, and I thought these were perfect, so I'm really excited to be using these. And I just feel like they're the perfect shade of green. They are by the Woven Nook line, and I have been looking for a pillow for a while. This shade of green, and everything I've seen for this size is really expensive, and I just thought these were great quality. I love decorating with pillow covers because they don't take as much space, so I'm really excited to use these. And then let me go ahead and share with you the items I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I picked up this towel. I really liked the farmhouse feel of it, and I thought it was really cute for the kitchen, and I probably will hang that like on a little blanket ladder or something like that. Then I picked up this little mug here. I picked up 2 of these last year for a tea tray, and one of them fell off of the tray and cracked. So I was really happy to see it again this year. That way I could have the set of 2. And then, like I said, I want to incorporate some more green into my coffee station. So I found these and I thought these were so perfect and really pretty and modern looking. So I got 2 of those. Then I have changed a couple of things since my fall home tour. I sold some furniture and I redid some spaces that you will be seeing in some future videos. So I have a couple more shelves to decorate, and I thought this would be perfect for one of the new shelves that I have. And it's something other than a tree, because I feel like all I tend to gravitate towards are trees, and I felt like this would be really pretty because it's not a tree. So let me know if you have that same problem down below. So I got these, a tree, and I thought they were really pretty green, and then if you see closely, they're like kind of speckled, and I thought these would look really nice with some black and wood color trees and kind of go for that modern feel. I got these for the fireplace in mine, so I'm hoping that they will fit on there. If not, I have some shelves that I'm going to put these on. Then I picked up these nutcrackers. I thought they were really pretty. I'm thinking of painting one of them gold and then doing a bunch of different colors for the kids' play space, maybe in their room. I'm gonna paint them just a bunch of different colors, and I think that'll be really fun. And I also will want to save a couple for the kids to paint. I kind of wish I would have bought 2 packs because they're such a great price, and everything was 50% off when I bought it, and the kids love to paint nutcrackers every year. Then I picked up a couple of larger items that I fell in love with. This again is that green, and it's very similar to the tree, and I just love how it's green, but then it has like the distressing on it. And I bought this for, if you follow me and saw my fall home tour, I have like a barn door chalkboard, and I like putting a wreath on the barn door side, and I thought this would be perfect for there. Then I picked this up. This has like a frame on the back, and I just love that it has the bead details, so it incorporates that boho style. I love the shade of green that they used and the font, and I love that they kind of have like a woven basket tree collar. And I want to take a picture of the kids in front of the fireplace and print that and put it on here. So I think that'll be so cute. And then the last item I picked up was, I have pinned a bunch of inspiration, and one of the #1 things on my list was some sort of green frame or sign, something that had green in it, and I had it for a specific place in mind. This was the right price, the right green, and the right size, so I was so excited when I saw this. I felt like it was unique because it wasn't just like a frame, it looks like a large tag, and I thought that was really cute. And I love what it says. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I love the font they use, and it was such a great price. This was only $10. It was originally $20, but because it was 50% off, it was $10, which I felt like was a steal for a sign this size. And I'm so happy, and I can't wait to decorate with it. The #1 thing I'm looking for now is a table runner. I have my eye on one that I saw someone else share in another decor haul, but I'm not sure if it's quite I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the modern route or the boho route, so I'm between 2. So one of the ones I'm thinking of is from Target, and it's green and black, and I feel like it has those modern feels that I'm going for. The other one is from Hobby Lobby, and I shared that in a shop with me, and it is more of the boho style, and I feel like that one I can carry into winter. So let me know which one do you like more. You guys can help me decide which one I should go with. Okay, so I did end up picking up a couple of more things on my latest shop with me, and I did make a decision on the table runner I was going to use. As I mentioned in the previous clip, I was kind of undecided. I made my decision, and I have decorated my table since then, and I love the decision I went with. So this runner is from Target. It's super affordable, and I just love the texture of it. I feel like it's super soft, and and it definitely goes with my theme for this year. Then I will leave my latest shop with me linked in the description box, but one of the places I went to was Joann's, and I picked up this ornament. I mentioned that I thought their ornaments were pretty pricey for what I would normally spend on decor, but I thought this would be perfect for a tiered tray, and I love that it had the letters in green, so I did decide to pick that one up. I also picked up a set of 2 of these, or I picked up 2 of these. They weren't a set, they were individual, and these were 50% off, and I bought them for my my shelves on my mantle. I actually already decorated with them, and I'll leave that video linked. Also, I have a whole Christmas playlist that I'll leave linked, and I think I might add eventually some like rub and buff or something to make this look a little bit more antique, but I thought it was really pretty. And then I did have my eyes set on some bells, and I thought these would be so pretty, especially since I'm trying to incorporate some modern touches, and I love the black and I love the hammer detailing, and I thought this would be really pretty to carry into my winter decor as well. Then from Michael's, I picked up this adorable house. I actually saw the cutest DIY. If I can find the influencer on Instagram that shared the DIY, I will make sure to leave her name, Insta name in the description box. But she did, like, she put a really cute colorful wreath there and just made it really fun, which are the vibes I'm going for in my kitchen. And she used it actually for her diffuser, which I thought was an awesome idea. So she kind of put her diffuser in there, which I thought was amazing. It has like a glitter house and the chimney, and this just opens right up. So I really love that idea, and I am gonna copy it in a similar fashion. And then the last thing I bought, actually Michael's recently sent me some credit because they have this new like rewards program where if you spend money they send you vouchers and all this stuff. So I decided to go back to Michael's and pick up this Santa pillow. I created a cozy Christmas corner in the kids homeschool space, and I feel like this pillow is just too cute and belongs in that cozy Christmas corner. So I thought it was adorable, and I love like the vintage look that he has. So those are the last few things that I picked up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can see how I decorate with these items and all of my Christmas decor. I can't wait to share with you guys all the ideas I have this year for Christmas, and I definitely will be sharing some DIYs later on after I decorate everything and show you how I incorporate that into my decor as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!